Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, February 5th, 2015, and U.S. stock market is closed. We had another great day today. You know, it's just been extraordinary what we've seen in the last 4 days. We have actually seen a sweep of nearly 1,000 points in the Dow Jones Industrial Average from bottom to top in the last 4 days. I mean, that's pretty extraordinary. I was predicting the Dow was going to go down yesterday, and as I say, don't pay much attention to my predictions of the Dow, because the Dow gained 211 points today, and it came all the way up and bumped its head on the ceiling of about 18,000. So we've seen this sweep from a low of nearly 17,000 to a high of nearly 18,000, and it's taken place in 4 days. And speaking of sweeping, we've swept a lot of good money into our bank account in this process. We've seen just really nice profits, and today was no exception. We closed out $5,600 in closed out trades today, and then we got into 17 new positions and are carrying almost $5,000 in open trade equity. Now, the only thing I got to say about this is that it's nice to have $5,000 in open trade equity, but that is not a huge amount for 17 positions. And what has me scared, you know, I'm just a natural pessimist that comes from a lot of trading, is that we are back up on the ceiling now. And so we're holding 17 positions, and we need another update. And this Dow is just hung right on the ceiling on the close today. We have 17 positions, 9 are positive, 8 are negative. That is about what we would expect, but you can see that if things turn around tomorrow pretty hard and went south, we could be in trouble with those 17 positions, but I hope not. Anyway, we got positive, as I say, almost $5,000 going into tomorrow. Let's hope we get some follow through. So, as far as, forget my pessimism, we had a great day. Let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average here, and you can see we now have both the floor and the ceiling on the chart. So you can see here, 4 days ago, we hit the floor down here. This is just above 17,000, and for 4 days we've had this unbelievable climb. And today we bumped our head on the ceiling, which is 18,000. So this 4-day run is 1,000 points. It's pretty extraordinary. We have 17 positions on. Don't forget Robert's rule of 4. We've had 4 up days in a row, and I would say there's a good chance that Dow's going to come down tomorrow, and particularly I don't see how it can accelerate and get through this red line, but again, I have been frequently wrong, and the thing that could happen, we could get a lower open, and then it could kind of slingshot up through that line, but it's got to have a little momentum behind it to get through that ceiling. That's been a formidable object here for quite a while, and I'm not expecting that it's not going to be formidable tomorrow. Anyway, we still had a great day. Let me show you a couple of the good trades we had today. This first one is in CPE, that's Callon Petroleum. Another energy stock that did really well for us. We got into this today, and it kept going, and I didn't like this pullback on the last bar, but even with that pullback, we have close to $4,000 in open trade equity in Callon Petroleum, so that really looks good. And then another stock that did really well today for us is LCI, which is Lannett Company. And what? Look at this first bar this morning. I mean, this is just humongous. It opened here and then just went straight up. We do not trade that first bar, so we weren't trying to get in. And what was nice is when we did get in, we got in about the best price you realistically could have gotten in to Lannett today, because it pulled back a little here and we got right in here. And of course, when it does that, we don't have any trouble with slippage or anything. We just jump in there and we did just fine. And then it just took up off from there, took out this high of this first bar and ended up closing about where that high was for the day, but still very close to the high of the day. Anyway, we're holding over $3,000 in Lannett Company, so that looks real good also. So we close out 5,000. We got 5,000 going into tomorrow. That's pretty good. The Trader Bob's happy. We'll see you tomorrow on Friday.